Okay, good. My mic's recording this time. Anyway. How do you do, everybody? It's me, Toby Obato, the unlucky beckoning cat. And today, I'm opening more cards. Oh, shoot, forgot to lock the door. Okay, now that the door's locked, have everything ready. Got got the card sleeves. And make sure I don't get myself into more top loaders. Reflections can be scary. Anyway, today I got with me three Hololive White Schwartz packs that I'm gonna be opening today. Now, my main goal is to get something that just to find something good, but this time I have a cause now. Someone in the server I go to is looking for an SSP Suisse, so who knows? Maybe I'll be lucky enough to get it. Or maybe it'll be another signed Nene. I mean, not that I think I have anything against Nene, but I already got one in Japanese. There's 31 special and 31 super special. Now let's open this baby up. Open. Alright, and the promotional card. And the special card. All your characters get 1,000 parts and 1 soul. Card names, spending time with everyone. Look at how small they are. Just gonna put these off to the side. Or maybe just take out all the booster packs. And just open them one at a time. Gotta make sure to get everything out of the way. Throw that away. Move this to the front. And it's to Senpai with love. Cute. Hachima. An expert power. An expert's power. Murasaki Shion. Ozuru Subaru. Together in an expanding world. Fanatical over Hyoko Sushi Fish. Ooh, sparkly. Double rare. Toward the future together. Nekomata Okayu. Shiranui Flare. Hashtag Kanator. Amari Kanata. And hashtag Tsunamaki Art. Tsunamaki Watame. Watame. Now, there is a common card I want to find. It's hopefully, the one with Corone Company. Move that to the front, and it's Summer Memories. Cat Police, Inugami Corone. Okay, if you can make it here. Hoshimachi Suise who grants wishes. No, it's Akinator. Hikoboshi Shiramaki Fubuki. Revenge, Omaru Pokemon. What was that for, Senpai? Oh, SR. An SR Botan. So sparkly. I'ma still leave it. Botan is one of my favorites. It's just a super rare, so And I got a Botan. Let's see, moving on. Tokino Sora, Nene's album, Momosuzu Nene, hashtag Sora art, Tokino Sora, and that's it. Just put these all together. Okay, next. Gonna open it up. Of course, this to the front. Shion's birthday. Juggling charge, Okami Mio. Hachima Beam, Akai Hato. Dramatic scene in the office, Kiryu Koko. Saving the Coco card. Later, Aki Rosensal, Tsunomaki Watame, Himetori Luna, Atmaru Omaru Poka, Toward the Future Together, Ozora Subaru. Actually, let me change my gloves real quick because of the adhesive from the card sleeve. Better to be safe than sorry. What I always say. Especially when you're unlucky and you've lived through almost every bad thing that can go wrong. Just remember Murphy's Law. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Okay, on to the next pack. Alright, move this to the front and it. Fruit Tarts of Happiness. Kawayo, Nakiri Ayame. Simple question. Tokoyami Toa. My alcohol! Yukihama Lami. The alcoholic. Gugu, feeling like a baby. Natsuro Matsuri. Double Rare. Toward the Future Together. Usada Pekora. Minato Aqua. Nekomata Okayu. And Sketchromancer. Uruha Rushia. I might as well also keep the Rushia cards. The whole situation was mishandled, if you ask me. Like, everything that happened could have been avoided. Like, damn. Just gotta keep moving forward, I guess. From what I hear, I hope she's doing fine. I hope. I hear she's doing fine, but I kinda hope so. Towards the dream stage, in an interview, Tokino Sora. I think it's interesting. You're off your rocker. Shy. Usada Pekora. Eighth row replenishment. Yodora Mel. Absent minded. Sakura Miko. Ooh, sparkly. Gaga. Gonna sleeve you. Wait. Oh, thank goodness. From that thing at the top, it made it look like that part right here almost give off the impression that it was dented from my perspective. Moving on. Omaru Poka, Shishirat, Shishiro Botan, Pekorat, Usada Pekora. You away. Moved out to the front and it. Oh, towards the future, Yodora Choka, more booba. I can never escape from the booba. There is no escape from booba. Wait. There is no escape from Booba. Okami Mio, perfect measures taken, Roboko-san, the strongest greeting. Hark! A ghastly underbelly! Uru Harushia. Shall we go stop them? Brimming with interest, Tsunamaki Watame. Meeting with 35P. Shiranui list, Shiranui flare. Sakura Miko. And Shino drawing Murasaki Shion. Move you to the front, and it Azora no Symphony. Office Revival? Nekomata Okayu. Koro-san grows so big. Yuki Hanalami. Crafting weapons, Hosho Marin. I'm done with my hammering hammer too. Which is the real one? Amane Kanata. We'll know full exactly who the Hololive sheep is. Do they though? Perfect measurements taken, another SR. Uru Harushia, saving that one. Robocar art. And Okami Mio. Gonna sleeve the Roboco one. Okay. Towards the future together, Murasaki Shion. Cat Police, Inagami Korone. Akinator. Hikoboshi Shiramaki Fubuki, Revenge. Welcome to the Kiryu Club. I was gonna say, it's like everything seems like repeats. Yozora Mel and Outer Art Aki Rosenthal. Like seriously, didn't like I get most of them already? Peaceful moment. I'll try Miko Senpai. Believer Spring. Momosuzu Nene. Perfect day outside. Morning rays Shishiro Botan. Violent cat making Aki Rosenthal. Food Fun. Nakiri Ayame. Yuzuki Choko. Isada Pekora. Melard Yozora Mel. And toward the future together Nakiri Ayame. Yoda Double Sarge. Double size. TMT. TMT. Successfully pranked Uzura Subaru. Now that's the case, I don't think she's pretending. Fully prepared. Himitori Luna. I'm all ready. Shishiro Botan. Wish upon star. Yuzuki Choko. We pray for the stars. Roboko-san. Shirogami Noel. Hashtag protein to Subaru. Uzura Subaru. Festival drawings. Natsuru Matsuri. Okay, next pack. Move one up to the front. Presents from the devilish Santa. In an interview, Tokino Sora. Shai Isada Pekora. Ace roller replenishments. Absent-minded Sakura Miko. Towards the future together, Tsunomaki Watame. RR. Hosho Marin. Lamy art, Yukihana Lamy. And towards the future together, Himitori Luna. Move one up to the front. Hashtag Noel art, Shiogami Noel. Stun, Shiogami Noel. Tokoyami Toa, Beyond the Stage with You, Yamada Hermione Minato Aqua, Gaming on a Day Off, Don't We All, Kiryu Coco, Momosuzu Nene, and Mio Art. Wanna try touching my secret tum tum? Yeah. Beat. Successfully pranked Ozora Subaru, fully prepared. Shishiro Botan, wish upon a star. Toward the future get together, Hosha Marin, Murasaki Shion, Lunard, Himatori Luna, and towards the future together, Momosuzu Nene. Imagine if it was the sign. Imagine if it was the sign Nene. Then I would have two. One Japanese, one English. Then I can truly be called a Nene fan. I mean, I haven't really watched her streams, so can I even call myself a fan? Or at least a husband? Toward the dream stage. Koro-san grown so big. Yukihana Lami. Crafting weapons. Which is the real one? Enchanting gaze. Akai Hato. Shiramaki Fubuki. Protection Rakech. Kiryu Koko. Move one up to the front, and it together with Dancho. An expert's power, Murasaki Shion, Uzura Subaru, together in an expanding world, Fanako over Hyoki, Shiranui Flare, Nakari Art Scroll, Inugami Korone, Towa Art, and Toward the Future together, Akira Sensal. Last pack of box 1. Let's see what I get. Move one up to the front, and it's A Summer's Love. Believer of Spring, Momosuzu Nene, Morning Rays, Violent Cat Making, Natsuri Ayakami, Toward the Future, Akai Hato, Oshimachi Suisei, Chocolart, and Hato Art, Hachama. Okay, that was box 1. Get drinks of water and change my gloves again. Found some okay cards, some SR cards, some super rares. Uh, I saw something. Okay, on to the second box. Open it. think go. That'll do. Opening up another box. No signed cards yet. And the promo card is Enchanting Glaze. Enchanting Gaze. Gonna pick all of them out. And leave the box. Wait, how many are in here? One, two, three. Ah, 16. Thought there would be 20, but I guess 16 is also a good number. Move this to the front. A Summer's Love. Believer of Spring. Morning Rays. Botan. Violent Cat Making Aki Rosenthal. Akeri Ayame. Artmar Omaru Poka. Minato Aqua. Nakomata Okayu. And Bouquet. Neat. Open this up. Move this to the front. Shion's birthday. In an interview, Tokino Sora, Shy Usada Pekora, Ace Roll Replenishments, Absent-Minded Sakura Miko, Towards the Future Kiryu Koko, Roboco Art Roboco-san, Shiranui Flare, and Towards the Future Together Shiranui Flare. Next pack. Peaceful Moment. Stun Shirogami Noel, Tokoyami Towa, Beyond the Stage with You, Yamada Hermione, Hoshimachi Suisei, Chocolart, Amane Kanata, and Towards the Future Together Kanata. Peace out. Summer Memories. Juggling in Charge. Hachima Beam. Dramatically in the Office, Kiryu Koko. Aki Rosenthal. Towards the Future Together, Natsuo Matsuri. Yozora Mel. More Booba. Art to Art. And Freshly Drawn Korone. Inagami Korone. Next pack. Okay, moved it to the front. Devilish Eyes. Cat Police. Akinator. Hikaboshi. Revenge. Toward the Future Together. Shiranui List. Sakura Miko. And Yukihana Lamy. I swear, it feels like sometimes the first thing you pull will always be the same. It's like it'll always lead to one thing, then another, then another, then another. Come on, come out. Towards the Future Together, Omaru Poka. Kawaio. Simple Question. My Alcohol. Feeling Like a Baby. Enchanting Gaze. Roboco-san. Shogami Noel. And Protein de Subaru. Marine Treasure. in an interview, shy, acerola, absent-minded. See, I'm pretty sure I pulled in an interview, shy, acerola, and absent-minded in a row already. Is that natural? And of course, spending time with everyone. Well, not of course, but this one. That was one of the promotional cards I got for the first box. Shiramaki Fubuki, Nakari Art Scroll, and Inugami Korone. I think some of the packs are semi-maps, so usually two specific cards would be in the same pack. I believe that every pack has the Akai Hato level 2 will also have the Suisei level 2 in it. Huh. I did not know that. Thanks, Sound Echoes. So yeah. At least now it can sort of predict, so like I always move this to the front because usually the last one's usually gonna be like the one with the signed or the special card. To Senpai with Love, Successfully Pranked, Fully Prepared, Shishiro Botan, Wish Upon a Star, Towards the Future Sakura Miko, Nazuro Matsuri, Akai Hato, and Toward the Future get Shishiro Botan. Next pack. I haven't found anything of interest yet. Well, except for SRs. Like, I don't know how rare SRs are, but I just like to keep them safe just in case because they look shiny. Towards the Future, Yozora Mel, Believer of Spring, Morning Rays, Violent Cat Making, Nakiri Ayame, Meeting with 35P, Toki no Sora, Nene Albums, and Murasaki Shion. Pack. Move this to the front. Azora no Symphony, Cat Police, Akinator, Hikoboshi, Revenge, Lunart, Amarupoka, Shishiro Art, and Drawing Fubuki. So at least the last few will be unpredictable. Present from the Devilish Santa, Successfully Pranked, Fully Prepared, Shishiro Botan, Wish Upon a Star. Ooh, another SR. Natsuo Matsuri, Shishiro Drawings, Uruha Rushia, keeping the Rushias, as well as the Kokos, and Arkayu Nekomata Okayu. Protecting the SRs, because they're still notable finds to me, even if they may not be worth much. Next pack. Wanna try touching my secret tummy? Yes. Okami Mio. Perfect measurements taken. The strongest greeting. Brimming with interests. Hosho Marin. Nami Art. Kiryu Koko. And Hoshimachi Suisei. Also hope you're enjoying the stream. Not much. Just chilling out. Sometimes you gotta have a day to chill out. Fruit Tart of Happiness. Stunned. Tokoyami Towa. Beyond the Stage with You. Yamada Hermione. Oh, another SR. Juggling in Charge. Kanata Art. Izuki Choco. And Aqua Art. Don't worry, I have plenty of card sleeves now. Enough for another stream in the future, because I did order 3 of the Hololive Third Fest White Schwartz cards. Towards the Dream Stage, Office Revival, Yukihana Lamy, Crafting Weapons, which is the real one. Towards the Future Together, Momosuzu Nene, Minato Art, and Towards the Future Tokoyami Towa. Two cards left of the second box. Not that much good. But maybe it'll all be saved up for the end. I'm gonna kind of cheat and raise my right hand. My right hand. Hoping for profit. Or maybe I should have raised my left hand just because, well, I don't know how my powers work. Together with Dancho, an expert's power, Uzura Subaru, together in expanding world, Fanatical over Hyoko, welcome to the Kiryu Club. I'll enjoy my stay. Tsunamaki Watame, Himetori Luna, and Miko Art. And the last pack of box 2. Pray for a miracle. Put this to the top. Azor no Symphony. Juggling in Charge. Hajime Beam. Dramatic Scene in the Office. Aki Rosensal. Oh, triple rare this time. Still the most notable find. Usada Pekora, Mel Art, and Roboco. Well, that was box 2. Now on to the final box. Wonder what will it contain. Got it off with the clean one this time. Gonna try to open it. Promo art. Beam of Sunlight. Haven't seen that one before. Take out everything. Mix them up a bit. Not that it does anything, just to keep things a little bit mixed up and misdirected. First pack of the last box. Put the last card to the front, and it's Yodora Mel. Office Revival, Yukihana Lamy, Crafting Weapons, Hoshomanin. Which one's the real one? Lustful Gaze, Enchanting Gaze, sorry. Although, to be fair, it is Sencho. Lunart, and Polka. Azor no Symphony, Cat Police, Inugami Korone, Akineta, Ikuzubuki, Revenge, Welcome to the Kiryu Club, Inugami Korone, Towart, and Marine's Treasure. Moved it to the front, to Senpai with Love, Successfully Pranked, Fully Prepared, Aggressive Cat Making, oh wait, Shishiro Botan, sorry, Wish Upon a Star, Oshimachi Suisei, Chocolart, Amane Kanada, and Amane Kanada. Move this to the front. Present from the Devilish Santa. Successfully pranked. Ozora Subaru. Fully prepared. Shishiro Botan. Wish upon a star. SR of Hachima Beam. Definitely gonna sleeve that. Hachima Beam! Help out the couples of the world. Yukizuki Choko, Isada Pekora, and Aquart. Judgment Day is coming near, folks. Running out of cards. And I don't have any backup cards this time. Like the GameStop I go to didn't have any brilliant stars. Summer Memories, Juggling in Charge, Hachima Beam, Dramatic Scene in the Office, Aki Rosenthal, Hoshamani, Lamy Art, Kiryukoko, and Hoshimachi Suisei. I can hear a vacuum going off outside. Alright. Okayu, Kawaio, Simple Question, My Alcohol, Feeling Like a Baby, Shiramaki Fubuki, Momosuzu Nene, Mino Art, and Towards the Future Together Toa. Feel like I'm going too fast on these. But, mm, part of me kinda lost hope, not gonna lie. Shion's birthday, in an interview, Shy, Ace of Roller Replenishment, Absent Minded, a triple rare of Enchanting Gaze, Mel Art, Tokinosora, and Roboco. Move this one to the front. Miko Art, Okami Mio, Perfect Measure Taken, Strongest Greeting, Burning with Interest, Meeting with 35 People, Tsunamaki Wakatame, Himitori Luna, Artmaru Omaru Poka. A Summer's Love, Believer of Spring, Morning Rays, Hairspray Queens, Violent Cat Making, Nakiri Ayame. Oh, a super rare of Shion. And an Uruharushia, another one for the pile, Roboco Art, and Art Caillou. Next pack. Come on, give me something good. Towards the Future Together, Omaru Poka, Stunned, Tokayami Toa, Beyond the Stage with You, Yamada Hermione, Gaming on a Day Off, Roboco-san, Shiogami Noel, and Protein to Subaru. Move this to the front. Shion's birthday. An Expert's Power was a Subaru, Together in Expanding World, Fanako over Hioki, Shishirat, Natsuyo Matsuri, Akai Hato, Drawing Fubuki. Let's see, I have 5 packs left. Hope has gone away, but I will still go on. surprisingly, I feel like there's more cards in this, even though I keep getting the same few. Devilish Eyes, Cat Police, Akinator, Hikoboshi, Revenge, Toward the Future, Tsunamaki Watame, Shiranui Flare, Heart, and Flare. Fruit Tart of Happiness, Believer of Spring, Morning Rays, Violent Cat, Nakeri Ayame, Kiryu Koko, Shiramaki Fubuki, Nakari Arsa, and Shishiro Botan. Got a little excited there, not gonna lie. And these foil cards can be quite deceptive. Peaceful Moment, In an Interview, Shy, Ace of Roller Replenishment, Absent Minded, Hoshimachi Suisei, Yozora Mel, Auto Art, and Freshly Drawn Chronone. Surprising that I got them today, even though I pre-ordered them back in October, and I've seen them available earlier. Maybe pre-order people had to wait towards the Dream Stage, Office Revival, Yukihana Lamy, Crafting Weapon, Which One's the Real One, Minato Aqua, Nekomata Okayu, Shiranui Illith, and another bouquet card. The last one. The last pack that I have. From all three boxes. Let's see what it'll be. Move this to the front. Together with Dancho, An Expert's Power, Uzura Subaru, Together in Expanding World, Fanako over Hyoko, Towards the Future Akai Hato, Sakura Miko, Shion Drawing, and Yukihana Lamy. Well, that's it. All three boxes opened. That was quick. No signed cards. But oh well. Got some SRs and triple rares. First pile. Second pile. And third pile. Well, at least if I ever meet someone who plays White Shorts in person, I can have a deck or at least trade with them. I know some people in the server I go to probably play it, or at least talk about it at times. The cards that I gathered with Kiryu Koko. Gathered with Kiryu Koko. And the cards that I have with Rushia. Rushia seems to be kind of rare, honestly. Like in general. Harushia, Strongest Greeting, another Strongest Greeting, another Rushia, Reading, and Sketchromancer. So yeah, that's the stream. Not sure if I should stream again today, playing Realm of the Mad God again. What time is it? 6:51. Did this all in under an hour. Well, here's all the SRs and triple rares. Shion, Enchanting Gaze, Hachima Beam, together with Dancho, Juggling in Charge, Natsuo Matsuri, Perfect Measures Taken, Feeding Like a Baby, and Shisho Botan. So, thank you all for watching, and maybe I'll stream again in an hour. Maybe not. Well, see you later. Kinda awkward. Bye.